What could it be? Hunter's Moon 2024. Greetings, dear listeners. As you know, each month, Dr. Curious and I welcome the arrival of the full moon. On October the 17th, it was the full Hunter's Moon, a supermoon, the biggest and brightest full moon for this year, as its orbit brought it closer to Earth than any of the other full moons seen in 2024. Traditionally, the Hunter's Moon was considered a signal to begin, hunting. Hunting wild game to get you through the cold winter. Other names were the Blood Moon, Freezing Moon, Ice Moon, Migrating Moon. Gee, I wish I could migrate. Migrate south. As I record this on October 22nd, it's already snowing. Now, for several nights before and after the arrival of the full moon, Dr. Curious and I collect footage of the celestial orb from different vantage points for use in future uploads. We were driving to one such location when we were confronted by a strange apparition. It appeared to be a man, about 7 feet tall, and dressed in a long, flowing white garment. We were close to the university, so I wondered if it might be an international student in traditional garb, as it's not unusual to see such students in such clothing on campus. But it was a cold night, too cold to be dressed like that outside. I had a heavy jacket on, and I was wearing my toque. We only saw the man for a few seconds before it vanished. But in those few seconds, we realized he wasn't walking, but floating a foot and a half above the sidewalk. Had we seen a ghost? Was the white garment a funeral shroud? Maybe it wasn't a man but a woman. Was it La Llorona, the Wailing Woman or Weeping Woman of Mexican and Central American folklore? A banshee-like figure crying for the children she drowned? Was this a Canadian La Llorona? Did she drown her kids in nearby Pile of Bones Creek? Or was this apparition all just a trick of the light? The serious moonlight? What do you think, dear listeners? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. And stay safe, stay subscribed, and ring the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. If this is your first visit to my channel, please consider subscribing. My name is Warren, and I write and tell original ghost stories and original horror stories featuring such cryptids as the night floaters, werewolves, and the black-eyed children. So again, please consider subscribing. Please help me to reach my goal of 2,500 subs. Till midnight. Cheers. P.S. The day after we saw the strange apparition, a white pigeon showed up in our backyard and has been there ever since. Coincidence? Or is it a ghost bird? What do you think? Do 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 La Llorona. Sorry, I really couldn't resist.